Hello, welcome back. My name is Rida, and in this tutorial we are going to continue building our multiple authentication system for Laravel 6. So in this episode we are going to do 3 steps. The first step, we are going to create admin pages. We need an admin login page. Also we need an admin dashboard page. Then in the second step, we are going to route these pages that we created. Then in the last step, we are going to create an admins table, so we can save our admins in that table. After that, we will be ready to start implementing our second authentication system. So let's get started. Okay, now that we have our fresh Laravel projects, as you can see, we have a login system that comes with Laravel. You can register and you can log in, and of course there is nothing in the home page. You can't see the home page unless you are logged in. See, it will redirect you to the login first to see the home page. But the welcome page, which is this one, the welcome page, the index page, it's available for any visitors. But if you want to go to the home page, for example, it's protected. You need to log in first. Let's register first. For example, let's create an account. User. I'm just giving a fake Gmail. After login, now you can see the dashboard of the user. If we go back home, this is the welcome, the index page. If we try to visit the home page, you can see it now because you are logged in. Try to log in out. Okay, here we go. This is our project. Now what we want is we want to create an admin panel or a dashboard for the admins, but we don't want to use the table. This is our database. We don't want to use the users table. We want to create a separated table for admins. So let's start working on that. Let's open our project first. There we go. This is our project. Of course it's fresh project, so nothing special here. First, to facilitate things for us or facilitate our job, let's search this extension. It's called duplicate action. Here, this one. We need it so we will be able to duplicate folders just with the right click. It's installed. Let's go back here. Let me try. Yeah, here we go. Duplicate a folder. That's the extension that we need. We don't need this one. It's installed. So for now, let's create a dashboard page. So we want an admin folder next to the authentication, because here we have the regular views, regular pages for regular users, but we want to create a folder that we can put all the admin pages in it. Let's create that folder first. We give it a name, admin. Then inside the admin, we're gonna create a dashboard page. Here, let's create a simple page. And that's it. And okay, for the dashboard, let's use the same thing that we have in the home. Let's copy everything and paste here. Let's adjust some things here. Admin dashboard. You are logged in as an admin. This is just to make things clear for us. So yeah, that's all what we need. Let's save. Okay, now that we created our dashboard page, let me put this one down here, give more room. Now that we created our dashboard page, let's go and create a route for that. Here we go. Let's create our route here. First, let me comment this. Well, let me copy this function here, the route with the function. So when you go to the route admin, let's open the dashboard. This should work. Let's go and visit our route and see what's gonna load for us. Not found. Ah, okay, got it. The dashboard is on the admin folder. Admin/dashboard. And here we go. Now you can see we are seeing the admin dashboard. You are logged in as an admin. But what I didn't like here, I'm gonna change this to make it different from the regular user view. See, we have the same navbar here. I'm gonna change this navbar to make it look different. So the navbar comes from the layouts. We have this layout here. This is what gives the navbar. Okay, let's duplicate this layout. Duplicate. First it's a PHP. There we go. Now that we have the admin nav, let's close the regular nav and let's modify this one here. Title will say, let's remove this, admin. Also here we want admin dashboard. We keep the login button and we don't need the register button. So let's remove this register button. Save. Now let's go back to the dashboard and let's import that one. Layout, admin, nav. Yeah, here we go. Now we have the admin dashboard name here and also in the title, and we have only a login. But this login will take us to the regular login form, and we don't want that. We want a separated login form for our admins. we need to create a login form for our admins. Let's create that first. It's gonna be basically just copy paste or duplicating, because we already have that. In the authentication, we already have a login form here. So we want to copy this one. This is the login. We want to copy this one and use it for the admin. Copy. Let's create our login form here in the admin because it belongs to the admin. Let's paste our form. Make sure to change the navbar. It's admin nav. Let's create a route for this one. Basically, it's the same thing. Admin login. And this should load. So if a user or the admin goes to this path, admin login, it will be shown this form, login form. This one here. Let's try that now. We said admin login. Yes, here we go. We are now seeing the form of the admin login, but I need to fix this so we know that we are in the admin login. Let's remove this. Just a few changes here, the nav and the naming. Here we go. Okay, now that we have an admin login form, we don't need actually a nav for a login form for any admin panel. So let's remove this nav here. To remove the nav, we got it from here. Just delete this one. Of course, this one is not gonna look right because we didn't import. Yeah, we didn't import yet our bootstrap. So let's go here and import all this. We import the head because we're gonna need it only once in here. So let's paste it here. Let's create a body tag. Move this one all the way to the end. Then go back, save. And here we go. Let's adjust this one a little bit. Let's give the body a class. Let's give it a margin top 5. Okay, this works great. Also, usually dashboards, they come with a dark background, so let's give it a color. Looks better now. So the admin login form, it's hidden on this address, and we have the regular user login form at this link here. So now that we have the admin login form and we have the dashboard, let's visit the dashboard here. What we name it? Admin. So now that we have the admin dashboard and we have the admin login form, I think we are ready to start implementing our authentication for the admin. Okay, let's start doing that. First thing we need a table for our admins. So to create a table in, let's close this. So to create a table in Laravel, you need to create a migration for that. Let's create a migration table for admins. Okay, let's create a migration. We're gonna name the table admins. Make sure everything is right. PHP artisan make migration, create admins table. And here we go. We got a migration file for our table. What we have here, big increments ID. We need few other properties. Let's just copy the user's properties. Let's copy all these properties. Because usually admins, they have the same properties. Let's save. Okay, now let's run our migration. PHP migrates. Okay, our admin get created. Let's check that. Go to PHP my admin. Refresh. And yes, here we go. We have the admin table. I think our video is getting too long and we should stop here and continue our tutorial in the next video. See you.